Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to create this cartoon character. This is from cartoon Oggy and Cockroaches, if I am not mistaken. This is an Indian cartoon. So let's model this guy in 3D. This is a 2D character. This is 2D character, but I am going to model this in 3D. So let's start. I'm also going to texture paint it. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was our reference I was using, and this is our character. This was our reference, and this is our character. This was reference, and this is very easy character for beginners who are trying to learn 3D. This is a very simple model. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.